Dear students, in this chapter, Human Reproduction, we will discuss first about the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system has four main parts: testes, accessory ducts, glands, and external genitalia. We are supposed to learn about the structure and function of the organs, the structure and function of the accessory ducts, and accessory glands. First of all, let us discuss about the testes. Singular testis, plural testis, TES. This is situated in the pelvic region outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called as a scrotum. A scrotum is a small muscular sac that contains and protects the testes. It is a part of external male genitalia and is located behind the penis. The testes are placed outside the abdominal cavity so as to maintain a temperature that is 2 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the average human body temperature. The lower temperature in testes is required for spermatogenesis, as the normal human body temperature can lead to mutation in sperms. Testis is oval in shape. It is 4 to 5 cm long and 2 to 3 cm wide. Each testis has about 250 compartments called as testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are the site for meiosis that leads to the formation of spermatozoa. The inner lining of each seminiferous tubule consists of two types of cells, spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia are the immature male germ cells that undergo meiosis that leads to the formation of sperms. Each spermatogonia is diploid and contain 46 chromosomes. Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the spermatogonia. Interstitial spaces, these are the regions outside the seminiferous tubules. They contain small blood vessels, some immunocompetent cells, and interstitial cells or the Leydig cells. Leydig cells are the cells that synthesize and secrete testicular hormones called androgens. Now we should talk about the accessory ducts. The accessory duct transport the sperm from the testis to the urethra for their release outside the body. There are 4 accessory ducts in the male reproductive system. Number 1, rete testis, vasa efferentia, number 2, and number 3, epididymis, and the number 4, vas deferens. Rete testis, these are the ducts that connect the seminiferous tubules of the testis to the vasa efferentia. While the vasa efferentia or the ducts leave the testis and open into the epididymis that is located in the posterior surface of each testis. Epididymis, it is located on the posterior surface of each testis and opens into the vasa deferens. Now about vasa deferens, it is a duct that ascends into the abdominal cavity and loops over the urinary bladder. It receives a duct from the seminal vesicle and opens into the urethra as ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct store and transport the sperms from the testes to the outside through the urethra. While the urethra is the thin muscular tube, it originates from the urinary bladder. It then passes through the penis to its external opening called as the urethral meatus. Now the discussion about the accessory glands. They are seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bulbourethral glands. These glands secrete products that mix with the sperms to nourish and protect them. Seminal vesicles, they contribute approximately 60 to 75% of the fluid in semen. The secretions are rich in proteins, enzymes, fructose, vitamin C, phosphorylchlorine, and prostaglandin. The high fructose content provides nutrient energy for the spermatozoa. Prostate gland secretes a slightly alkaline milky fluid. This helps in the survival of sperms in the acidic vaginal environment. The secretion also improves the motility of the sperms. Bulbourethral glands secrete, lubricate the penis and neutralize any residual acidity in the urethra. Thank you. Have a nice day.